Today we're gonna be making this giant Totoro cake. It turned out so cute and it's totally easy to make. My name is Danya and welcome back to dokicakes.
Step 1, bake cool cakes.
To make this cake, I baked them in the Rose Princess cake pan. I got so excited when I got this. Immediately, a lot of ideas came in my mind, especially this Totoro cake. I was a little bit nervous because this was the first time using this pan, but excited at the same time. To fill my cakes, I frosted my layers with buttercream and smoothed it out with my offset spatula. Repeat the same steps and add the top cake layer. So obviously there's a huge hole on the top here, so what I did, I filled the gap with cake pop mix.
Step 2, frost the first layer of buttercream.
I piped buttercream all over the cake and I literally went in various directions here, and at this point I was getting so nervous and I had no idea why. I smoothed the buttercream with my offset spatula all over the cake. I had some leftover cake pop mix and I used it to create his mouth. I finished frosting it and this is how it should look like, and you're gonna throw it in the fridge to let it set.
Step 3, decorate cake.
For this cake, I decided to give it a plushy fur effect, so I used the star tip to pipe all over the cake. I was really having lots of fun piping, but then I realized that I have to add his tummy first, and this is just a roundish piece of fondant, and continued piping all over the cake. Attach some leaf shapes of fondant for his ears and pipe all over his ears. And I also added a fondant piece to his sides to create his arms and finish piping his fur. Now we're gonna add the fondant details. First the nose, then the eyes, his whiskers. And for more cuteness, I added a fondant leaf on the top. And voila, we are done with our giant Totoro cake, guys. Oh my gosh, it turned out so adorable, super fluffy and cuddly. I just want to hug it. I don't want to cut into this cake. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and post your creations with the hashtag dokicakes for a shout out on my next video. I have other Studio Ghibli trees and I will link them at the end of this video, so don't forget to check them out. And make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more dokicakes. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.